All right, folks, January 18th, 2026, snowy day. We're heading back out into the rock. So I'd like to get in like 2 hours of riding today. Got to get back and clear the driveway. Daughter's having some friends over. Watch some collegiate dance competition. Family demands are ever present, but I should be able to get in, hopefully, I don't know, 8 to 10 miles. We'll see what this looks like. It's going to be tough today between yesterday's snow and today's snow. I think some of the friends out there may have made a few paths that will help me, but we'll see. Hope you're able to get out today. Just beautiful. Yep, it's some work, that's for sure. I mean, look at this landscape. Look how gorgeous it is. But it's not horrible. You know, the snow's light enough that you can plow through some of it. We'll see what the rest of the trails are like. I'm running like 4.5 psi in the front on my fat bike and about 5.5 in the rear. I mean, now look at this. Look how beautiful this is. Just beautiful. It's actually fun too because the snow softens everything up. If you do fall, it's not as painful as when you're falling on the hard ground and the rocks. I mean, and seriously, I'll say it again, it's just gorgeous out here. Bridge are slippery. GoPro stop recording.